Here you see him place the skin on the turntable holding fixture. The skin is drawn from 1/25,000th. We have for years made it out of 100,000, but 125 is probably the best for the average labor you have. You see how thin we are drawing the dome, but we are getting most of it down here on the bottom where it's needed. We of course use our S1 low roll system again, and the turning fixture makes it very easy for him to get in there. We strongly believe to make the job as easy as you can for your operator. You will get much better productivity that way. See how thin the dome is there? But of course, there you don't need the material. Nobody walks on there. Hopefully. We're working with about 6-minute gel times on this unit here. So basically, after he is finished spraying the sides and the bottom, we can turn it over and inflate the back with air. Again, one is done, the next one is coming up. It's much better to take the work to the operator than the operator to the work. Again, we're working only with one gun operator, one roller, and this roller also puts on the core material. And between the two of them, they're averaging 35 in a 7-hour shift. He's putting on about 1/8 of an inch of core without chop, because on the neutral axis, chopping glass in there is just a waste of money. But the labor savings with this system is about $120,000 a year, which easily pays for that equipment in about 9 months. even so we only use 0.125. We're bringing between 25 and 30 thousandths to the bottom, which is a lot better than most people which are using 187. The other advantage of using a thinner sheet is it's much easier to keep the flanges straight, and you do not build as much tension into this shell. Here you can see the minimum rollout, which is required. Basically, all we do is tuck in the tough corners, the 90-degree corners. What he's doing here is strictly cosmetic to give it a nice surface, only once over. The bottom gets put on with core material. Now they have switched to use spray, which has the scrap mix in it up to 40% in this case. By the way, this equipment was built in 1988.